Oh, you broke it.
No way.
Pretty wild tonight, and that's why I said no. I kicked everybody out of the
Kuzumi. Oh yes, number one. Are you all set, Derek? Yeah. I mean, Tammy.
No, I guess not.
They were the watermelon.
Oh, really?
Those you can find easier.
They were. I did a lot of this.
Did they give you any trouble about the company? Yeah, so that this He really likes this one. Let me turn around. Wait. Hello. Give me a treat so both of them have fun. Here she is. Hello. We'll just walk off the street.
Erica, say happy birthday to Joe Pete. Look in the camera and say happy birthday. You don't want to say happy birthday?
No, we just need bubble.
Are you guys going swimming? You don't want to go in now? It looks like everyone's going in. Come on. Okay. You're the one who just wanted to go.
Mommy wants to play. I'm not going.
Is anybody wanted by the police or anything?
A guy at work. Got a big party at my house. Memorial Day weekend. His brother brings this guy over. He's taking pictures of all the guys hiding. And the guy didn't come out and say, you know. But until at the end, they went out front and they fought. Then he said to me, he said, "Why the hell did you tell me that in the
That's not a real job. That's not a real job.
Great guy, you run a greasy party, you know, then he brings to your house."
Nice baby.
Kids swimming?
Yep.
We signed up that fall up there.
My dog is. Hope it's under the deck somewhere instead of roaming.
I know now it's down there. I think I have gas. I think
Please do. I'd love to.
Cardi's wrong.
I
lines here. What do you thought? We had a whole New Year.
I've got to speak to Paul sometime. Who is doing what through Billy Wood?
Oh, Billy's donated 3/4, and I think Paul's got it marked off.
I've got to find
tools
out
and
what he's got
donated.
marked off.
Okay, we got the boom auger from
Yeah.
Mass Electric. That's a definite. They're committed. Billy's given us the gravel. And the day I was so sick, Middlesex News called me. I think that he got the sound
No,
on.
I didn't have it.
That's good.
Wait, somebody ought to take this camera away from him. What if we did it the same day we did tonight? People are coming to school anyway.
Yeah, bring them in there.
Bring the cans. People bringing cans might drop off pennies. People bringing pennies might bring them.
Cheers.
Is it going?
No.
Do you want us to say anything? Anybody want to get this? All right, that's it. Cut.
Why did you pull us?
This is big. I may not have that.
Nothing will probably come out.
Not me. They want to cut it. You can't go in there.
Oh my God, there's that guy with the camera again.
Oh no! Honest to God. I'm gonna be a
Where's her knives? We'll cut it here, huh? I don't want to make it too big though. Little,
Yeah.
how's that? Is that good? Little kids are probably watching.
Do them over there. Let's see if they'll hide. Yeah.
They'll do anything.
All right, that's enough. Go this way. Get her. See that little, look at that little girl right there in the bikini.
Good job on it.
A big girl in the bikini.
You know, if you put them too close, what's going to
The
happen?
cover.
The water, they're going to swell and they're going to want to come up.
Smile.
They won't.
You're on camera.
I butted the boards right up together.
Yeah?
When they dried out, they dry out this way, Harry. They don't dry this way.
They
dry
don't do
this
anything.
way. So those spread out, just the gap I like.
Yeah.
And these wills.
It'll end up looking like that in 2 years.
Slow to indulge yourself. Be quiet and indulge yourself. Start again now. Well, you have a whole summer to do nothing.
We know.
What do we do? This summer, Continental Airlines introduces something to do. Choose Max goes to Florida as low as $24.50 for
When
two.
heck do I go? Mom! See my towel. Hey, what's your problem?
Pete's gonna blow out his candle.
One for each decade. I'm gonna sing happy anniversary and happy birthday. I have an idea anniversary. This is his.
No, it's 49 years. That's.
Yeah, her husband was a cook though.
Soft.
No, he's back. He's back.
Yeah, there he is. Okay. He's back.
I could put a
We're gonna sing to Pete. Hi. Oh, say hi to the camera.
camera.
Hey Tim, say hi.
Hi. I do Pete's only.
only 40. That's right.
I said 4.
Oh, 4. Yeah.
That's kind of like a lot of my things are something
Cause the bush.
Oh, she knows how to pump it. He's got to get it going.
He's not even ticklish.
Happy birthday!
Oh, what am I doing?
Because I'm looking from the other side.
Nothing. What?
Because I'm looking from the other side.
Mr. Lucy to come up here.
He's coming. He's talking.
So you've lost the summer already? So you get it early on? Is it here?
Yeah. No, it's about 10 o'clock till. There's still sun up on that area. If you wanted sun at this time of the day,
That's good, Leslie.
Huh? Oh yeah, no.
No, thank you. Can't you have a thermometer? I made something work. Pulled that one. I got it on a piece of stainless rod.
Wait a minute. You don't let me light it.
Why don't we just sing?
No,
Yeah. Why don't we just sing?
Wait.
Four
We'll get 'em.
flares. I got some firecrackers to put in there.
Yeah.
I said on the way.
Yeah, but they'll crack the cannon.
Well, they can't be. They're illegal, but there's an awful lot of people selling them.
We're using multiples of 10 now,
The guy at work, I can buy anything I want.
Decimal system is wonderful.
The window blown
Happy birthday.
Hey, wonder left.
Still going.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Joe P. Happy birthday to you. It's downhill from now. Now we have to sing happy anniversary to the Lucy's. That's right. 49 years.
Anniversary to you. Happy anniversary to you. Happy anniversary,
Mr. and Mrs. Lucy.
Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary. Happy anniversary. Happy anniversary. Happy anniversary.
Hey, Chrissy, now sing the other song. You look like a monkey.
Happy birthday to you.
You look.
She knows it.
You
You
look.
look like a monkey. Anyone I went to.
Oh, you smell like one too.
Daddy? I got a ring. And you got a ring on top. That goes. This one's from Mary's mom. Or Mary, probably.
I know stop.
On the 21st point, I got a point. I hope nobody gave me any dirty birthday cards with all everybody here.
Oh, you
I'd
can
be
fake it.
embarrassed. Oh, yeah.
Hey, Pete, at your age, it's making a difference.
That's true.
How old were you?
As long as people are looking at me.
Green Point continues its winding left to right. Wow. 105 FM.
Watch the toes when you're going to get some.
Yeah.
He sweats. He's opening up our.
Which tip your toes? That's all right. He wasn't throwing you away. I knew that was going.
There we go.
Hey, Tracy.
Daddy, look at this picture.
Weedless. Weedless.
I like the frog.
Where's
You need them. You need it.
Weedless.
Mrs. Lucy!
Yeah, that looks good.
Okay, it's real dumb, Turkey.
We thought you were frog.
Yeah. Who wanted the? You wanted the blue one? Drop the cup. Take the blue one.
Where's my towel?
Joe Pete.
Can I jump? Sure. I'm just
You're at the exciting age, somewhere between the young and the restless and the old and the senseless.
Got that right.
That's true. Not appropriate. Oh, you want to see this, huh? You were waiting to see what's in here? Oh, what are those? Candies. After 8.
Right.
Those are good.
Good.
Those are good.
This was what you were looking for. What is it? It's wine. The Lucy's must watch us sit out here at night and drink wine.
They do the same.
Yeah, thank you very much. That's very nice. Well, that was a good guess. Yeah.
We have a glass of wine every night when he comes home. Don't give him the cheap stuff and I'll drink this.
I had to guess whether it was that or vodka.
Vodka?
Give me this one. This one.
Okay.
All right, I want to know.
Okay, just a minute. No, you got one.
Daddy! Daddy, watch the double divers go.
Happy birthday. Heard this in the picture. Take a big breath. Sarah. Wait a minute, I got it wrong. Whoops. Elizabeth, Sarah, Mike, the owner, and Harry. Congratulations on them.
Congratulations on
Oh, bang!
You gotta speak up,
Oh, yeah, she
Joe.
did that to me, too.
Yeah, the 50th decade.
5th decade.
That's another way to look at it.
I read it today.
That's okay.
A guy with glasses reading, they can't read.
Oh. Okay.
Oh, my brother did that to me. Oh my God.
Ross wanted that.
Okay, Ross, step back here.
Float mug.
You already got a mug.
For mad inventors, late bloomers, budding cheaters.
Daddy, you already got it.
Yeah, but not like this one.
These are double. Go ahead, do not okay, ready? Pull ourselves. Slide down and hold on to the edge.
Huh? That was Elizabeth. That was from Elizabeth. Elizabeth came with it. Isn't that nice? I just thrown it down there where it was good.
Eat the cake, eat the cake. There's fruit on it.
There's fruit on it? You want to eat the cake? Tell Georgina to cut it.
Cut the cake, Georgia! Cut the cake, Georgia!
Cut the crap, Michael. Yeah, that was good.
That's not very good to eat.
Now that you're 40, I can tell you the true meaning of life. Life has no meaning when you're 40. Bruce, Terry, Chrissy, Katie, and Ben.
Happy birthday!
Oh, it is Katie. This is from Katie.
Wait till I have to see this.
Who wants this little boy?
Amy,
Amy will get this one. Everybody's got one. Oh, Mike hasn't got one yet. Hey, we'll fix you up, Mike. Relax.
A shot of 7 and 7.
Huh?
Over the hill. Over the hill and through the woods. Over the hill.
Oh, all right.
Thank you, Bruce. Where's your wife?
Let me see. I didn't tell Doug. We're having a party.
Cut the cake!
Okay. Hey, kid. Hey, I got a good idea.
Daddy?
Let's have some cake.
Yeah!
Where's Tyler?
Dear.
Tyler! Hey! We haul from deck to deck.
Come on.
Hey.
No. Go see Jokey. Where do you see Jokey?
Hi, Bud.
They took it out.
Where's Mama? Yeah, he's looking at Mama. Is it?
Look, get me some cake!
He comes over and visits me.
He likes you.
Yeah. Now he knows who I am.
Oh, I know who else that likes to play. Lindsay! I want to play. Yeah, I want to go swim.
Stevie! Steven! Hey, Steve! Sarah! Send Steve out here, will you? Okay, you two against each other and Steven out there.
No, you're not against that. Sure. Oh, I see. Take pictures of us hitting. Get this catch. Oh, why did you swing at it? Because it wanted to.
This guy wants to show.
This is Pete's, not mine.
Ooh, what a hit! It's over the ball guard. No, it isn't. It's not. It's just a. And Mike is up to bat. What a swing! It's a strike. Town to town. We'll be right back after these messages to the wonderful world of sports. Nothing in one. Town to town. And a hit. Oh,
Every time you see him having a beer, he's having the best stuff that was there.
Well, that's where I did at Bruce's. I brought him a glass and I drank coolers. What the hell?
Jesus, Andrea. When I was up in your house.
She walked me here, and then did one of them. So don't sit on me then.
Tracy doesn't fall off or anything. Go sit. What's the matter with you? You getting the antsy?
Big
Get
special
tired?
treat coming in the Joe Pete's garage.
Drill with all the women.
Bruce is going to take the money. Okay, $1 a shot. Hey, easy. Who's first?
Whoa. $5, 10 minutes. $5, 10 minutes.
If you ain't got $1, you can owe it to me.
It's his birthday. And I'm passing out dollars. Go on. Look at these.
What do you mean so little? God damn, let me show you it.
Yes! No, it says, who are you talking about?
Yeah.
All we need is 2.
What's going on in here?
What are you doing?
It's gone down. I was going to show him the trailer.
It's only worth $1?
Yeah, it's only worth $1. Oh, get a picture of that.
That's the third one.
Is that right?
Oh, for me, yeah, it's no different. We all sleep together at home.
Game!
I'll let you have that one, Bruce.
Thank God. Thanks.
Yeah, we don't need
Ready?
to sit.
Come on, I'm ready.
Bye, hon. Bye, Ben. Take a beat.
Out of the can, yeah. Hey!
He takes the
Like
good
father,
stuff.
like son, huh? Where's the scientist for son?
Light 105 FM.
He's not going in.
Well, I'm gonna be able to get all along. Hey, what's that trade to me? This time I'll have a good
Hey, my Yankee. Give me a pen.
He's gave him corn, Sarah. Don't yell at him.
I don't know when.
You're five.
Hey, get over there. Take it away.
Go teach the kids that.
I can't see a thing. All of a sudden, I couldn't see him. You had one being here.
You going in the pool?
Want to come in this time?
I don't know why you don't climb down the ladder.
Joey, we're coming up
Hold on,
the
just climb right
floaty
down.
thing here. Joey?
Come back up.
He's got a nice brand new boat we want to go spend some time on.
I don't blame him one single bit. That's the thing to do. They got friends coming up and they go water skiing. Oh, where you going up to
We're going to be in the parade, and that's at 5, so we wanted to see that. So they're going to meet us in town. So we wanted to see the parade.
Well, I'll probably see you there. I think we're going for a while.
Well, we're going to go to the fireworks.
I don't know.
These cameras everywhere.
You can get, he's got your kid.
They haven't changed, have they?
26.
Well, my son's birthday.
I know when Chet was born.
So do I.
Oh,
I don't know. 7.
7. December 26th. He damn near was a...
That's his sister. Okay. Yeah. He's the big 5-0 this year.
Who is?
Chet.
Lee Edward.
Oh,
Lee Edward, I know when he was born.
Oh, well. I was kidding him.
Yes. Okay.